Hello, everybody! In this video, I'm going to teach you guys the basics of how to fill out a two-way frequency table and answer the questions. All right, let's look at this example. It said the students in a seaside school are to have extra swimming lessons if they cannot swim. The table below gives information about the students in grades 7, 8, and 9. All right, as you can see, this table is telling us how many students in 7th grade can swim and cannot swim. But as you can see, there's some boxes that are blank. We got to fill it in. So when you see that word total, you're basically just giving the total amount. So let's look at the first row. We got 120 7th graders who can swim and 60 who cannot. So when you add those together, you get 180. All right. And then when you add the second row, you get a total of 179 8th graders. And then when you add that third row for 9th graders, you get a total of 175. All right, now let's talk about how many students can swim. So guess what? I'm looking at this column right here. So I'm going to be adding 120 plus 168 plus 172. And I'm going to get a total of 460. And then when I ask myself how many students cannot swim, I'm going to be adding 16, 11, and 3 and get a total of 74. Now, to figure out the grand total of everybody, all the 7th, 8th, and 9th graders, I can simply just add that last row. So when I add 460 plus 74, I'll get a total of 534. All right, so we've already done part A. The next part says, how many students need swimming lessons? Well, only people that need swimming lessons are those who cannot swim, right? So how many students could not swim in all? Ding, ding, ding. You are right. It is 74. All right. How many students are there in 8th grade? So we're going to simply go to 8th grade and look at the total, 179. How many of the 7th grade students cannot swim? Well, now we need to just look at the 7th grade students. So we're looking at this row right here. How many of them cannot swim? You got it. It's 60. How many students in 7th grade, how many students in grades 7 and 8 can swim? Now let me erase all this extra stuff. All right. We're talking about grade 7 and grade 8, and we're talking about those who can swim. So that means these guys and these guys. So I'm going to add 120 plus 168 and get 288. And then that last question, how many students are there all together in grades 7, 8, and 9? Well, here you go. It's the grand total right here, which is 534. And that's it.